Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today let's see how to make this French pastry, Eclairs. This is with rich pastry cream filling topped with thick chocolate glaze. And I'm sure those who have tried it first will fall in love with it instantly. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Let's start making the pastry cream. First add 2 egg yolks, sugar and cornstarch. Mix it. Now into milk add in sugar and bring it to boil. Pour some of this warm milk into the cornstarch and egg mixture and mix it. Now pour it back into the remaining milk and whisk it continuously. As we added cornstarch, within 1 minute the milk will turn thicker. To avoid burning, whisk it continuously. Now add in some butter and mix it until the butter is melted. Pour some vanilla essence and mix it. Our rich pastry cream is ready. Pour this warm cream into a bowl and cover it with a cling film, and it should touch the top portion of the cream. It will prevent the cream forming from a thick layer on top. We have to refrigerate it at least for 2 hours. Now let's make the Eclair Shells. Add water and milk into a pan and add in butter and mix it until the butter is melted. Now add in some sugar and salt. And bring this to boil. After it starts boiling, turn off the flame and add in all-purpose flour. Now mix it until it all comes together. Now again turn on the flame and make it to a low heat and mix it. You have to cook this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer it into a bowl and allow it to cool down. Then add 4 eggs, one at a time. After adding all the eggs, you have to beat this dough really well until all of it comes together into a single dough like this. After it becomes this consistency, transfer it into a piping bag, and I have not attached any nozzle at the tip of the piping bag. Now pipe this into shell shapes into the baking tray. After piping all the shells, apply some water on it. This will help in forming the beautiful texture of the eclair shells. Now you have to preheat the oven at 220 degrees Celsius and bake it in same degree for 10 minutes and reduce it to 180 degree and bake it for 25 minutes or until it turns beautiful golden brown color like this. Now immediately after taking it out from the oven, take a skewer and prick both the sides. This will allow the steam inside to escape. Because these eclair shells are completely hollow. And we're gonna fill these shells with beautiful pastry cream. Before that, let's make the chocolate glaze. Take some dark chocolate and pour in warm cream. And keep it aside for 10 minutes without mixing it. Now let's check out the cream which we made earlier. It will be thick. Mix it continuously to make it smooth. And fill this cream into a piping bag attached with a small round nozzle. Now our eclair shells have cooled down completely. Now take the skewer and make the dent a bit more bigger. And fill in with the pastry cream. Now mix the chocolate glaze. Now take the cream-filled eclair shells, dip it in chocolate glaze and serve it. This is the most delicious dessert in this world. Now let's cut this and see the cream filling inside. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's so yummy. You might have seen these eclairs in all the pastry shops, but see how easily you can make this at home. If you follow all the precise measurements and tips and tricks, you can be a master on this. So definitely try this recipe at home and share a picture with us on our Facebook page, because we love to see your creations. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like it. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can watch more interesting recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Thank you.